Yeah. Hello guys.
Buildings are
it's
immense
Tamus.
in this town. Man, they are big buildings.
Hey guys, it's Tamus. Sorry I haven't been able to vlog. We were doing a lot of
Oh, the
stuff that,
IRS?
you know, no
Ooh.
pictures, no videoing, that sort of thing. And plus my battery's been low all day, so I'm doing it now though. We went to the Holocaust Museum. There were no pictures in there. We went to, oh crap, I can't remember the name of that. The National Archives. Saw the Declaration of Independence, Constitution, the Bill of Rights. They used to be able to take pictures, just no flash, but people wouldn't listen, so couldn't take any pictures. There's the Washington Monument. Yesterday we went to Mount Vernon, George Washington's house. Today we went to the National Burying Grounds for soldiers from the wars and stuff. Went to the unknown soldier graves. Saw them do the...
Guys, let's everyone on the left.
Washington Monument.
How tall is it?
555 feet tall.
Nice. How tall is it?
555 feet.
555 feet, 5 1/8 inches tall. What's coming up on the right? The White House.
Oh, yeah,
Can I hear a tragic story about the Washington Monument? So, way back when it was built, it had the world's tallest steam-powered elevator. And the French were actually really jealous because they had just finished the Eiffel Tower, and we had a taller steam-powered elevator than they did, so they were really upset. Anyway, it was considered dangerous new technology. And at the time, they were kind of silly, and they thought that women were these dainty little figures, and that the dainty little figures shouldn't get into the dangerous new technology. Today we know that they're crazy. But anyway, the elevator used to take between 15 to 30 minutes to get to the top. And the men were allowed to ride the elevator, and they were served wine and cheese, and the women had to schlep 897 steps to the top.
Oh.
That is an absolutely tragic story in American history. However, I do think that if you can schlep 897 steps in petticoats, you're stronger than a man.
Yeah.
The man drinking wine and eating cheese.
What?
Kind of reverse.
Yes. Yesterday we went
You're looking at the boys, I think.
we went through the White House. I was
So we are going to be visiting several memorials tonight. We will be off the bus for about 2 hours.
Hey, back to the bus! Be respectful, thank you.
You guys did awesome at Arlington. Don't wreck it now. Really, the only thing you need is are your cameras and your water bottle. Anything else that you choose to bring is fine. There really aren't any purchasing opportunities, so you don't need to worry about that. So bring your camera, bring your water bottle, bring yourself.
Okay, so you just heard what
Chicken,
we're
if
gonna
you're a
do
chicken person,
tonight.
bring the chicken.
Yesterday we went to the White House. I was the only person who brought my phone. There was no cameras in there either. No pictures, no nothing. I had my phone tucked away deep down in my pocket. I was the only one who brought my wallet too, so I was able to get a postcard, or at least of the kids. Some of the adults still had, you know, their wallets. And so when we got outside, when we were allowed to take pictures, I took a couple selfies with the White House in the background. We took a group photo outside the gate. Where else did we went that didn't allow pictures? Oh yeah. No, that wasn't it. But yeah, so we watched, make sure it's still recording. So we went to the National Graveyard for Arlington National Graveyard.
Alright guys, we're going to make a slight detour before we start the regular monuments and memorials. When we're out at the Vietnam Memorial, the Korean Memorial, and some of the others, guys, sit down. We do need you guys to be just like you were at Arlington. Again, everybody was perfect. I really had no reason to talk to anybody. However, we're going to make a slight detour before we start the rest of the memorials. We're going to go visit Mr. Einstein.
Woo!
Now, they say that if you kiss Einstein on the nose, your IQ will go up 10 points.
I am doing
What
that.
happened?
I need
you say
that.
orange really slowly, it sounds like gullible.
Really slowly.
Oh no, that's the joke! I got it! You're gullible, so you say it.
I fell for it.
Kayla, you better kiss him on the nose. It won't hurt. It won't hurt.
God, I'm so glad I figured that out.
I don't need
So, anyway, that was what we did. We saw them switch soldiers because there's always someone out standing guard by the graves of the unknown soldiers. And we saw them change the brief, and we saw the soldiers switch. Because in the summer, during the day, they switch out every half hour because they have to wear their wool suits because they look the sharpest. In the winter, it's every hour, and at night, it's like every 2 hours.
What?
That they switch out, like get their breaks or to change. Oh, that was neat, but it was dead silent. Tomorrow we're supposed to go to a couple of Smithsonians, including the Air and Space Smithsonian. Yes! That's the one I really wanted to go to. And we're getting off the bus. And the other thing we were going to do was, God, I can't remember now. We were going to do something else too, but now I can't remember what it was. What else are we going to do tomorrow besides Smithsonian's? What else are we doing with the...
Just taking pictures, walking.
No, tomorrow. Besides Smithsonian's. I can't remember.
Smithsonian. We're also going to the Capitol tomorrow.
Oh yeah, Capitol. We were actually going to do that yesterday, but we missed our time, so we just we went to Ford's Theater where Abraham Lincoln was assassinated. That was kind of cool. And so then we're doing the Capitol tomorrow before we go, because we don't have to leave until like 3. So pretty building. Okay, so that's basically summed up. We're gonna start walking. Go walking. Have a look.
I do an S. Wait.
We're walking. Making up for a little lost time. I haven't been able to been uploading vlogs lately. I don't know why. They just won't upload for some reason. But don't worry, they shall be up. I might just have to wait till I get home though. Woo! Let's see Einstein. And actually, I'm going to be taking pictures and kissing his nose, so.
Actually, I'm mumbling. Stay to the right. Let the gentleman out.
I'll stop this after he can kiss his nose or something. Where's Einstein?
You need to kiss him like 5 times.
Sorry if this cuts me off.
Get their selfie first, guys. Wait, Clam. Let's take a selfie up there. Hang on, don't get in their picture.
No photo bombing.
Go first.
Oh, hold on. I got gum. I don't want to leave a piece of gum on Einstein's nose. Okay, so I'm going to go get 10 more IQ points. And looks like we're climbing, so I'll see you guys. Bye, Einstein. Yeah. I know, you're still recording. Okay, never mind. Oh, come on, man up. Anything scary.
I already am a man. I feel like off.
Okay, I can't climb with one hand. Bye. Oh, come on, stop recording already.